Rich, creamy and delicious, cream cheese frosting is the perfect topping for your favorite desserts. From carrot cakes to brownies, it goes on just about everything. To help you with your baking needs, this video is sharing the best store-bought cream cheese frosting you can buy. Store-bought frostings are a great option if you are looking to save time in the kitchen. They taste great and will take your baked goods to the next level. However, some brands are better than others. With so many options available, it can be hard to know which store-bought cream cheese frosting you should choose. List of the best store-bought cream cheese frosting. If you are worried about finding the best cream cheese frosting, worry no more. This guide will help you know which store-bought ones are your best options for your baking needs. They are rich, creamy, and full of delicious flavor that will have you licking the spatula clean. The great thing about using store-bought frosting is that one can is often enough to frost 2 layers of 8 or 9-inch cakes, and up to 24 to 36 cupcakes. Any leftover frosting can be kept in the fridge for up to 4 weeks. Once you are ready to use it, allow the frosting to reach room temperature, as it makes it much easier to spread. Duncan Hines Creamy Homestyle Cream Cheese Frosting. With a delectable cream cheese flavor and an easy-to-spread texture, Duncan Hines offers a wonderful frosting. Their recipe is free of high-fructose corn syrup, gluten, dairy, and eggs, which is ideal for those with food allergies. The frosting is sweet while not being overly sweet. For cakes, cupcakes, cookies, or brownies, this frosting is a great option. Its great flavor pairs wonderfully with all your baked goods. You can't go wrong with this pantry staple. Miss Jones Baking Organic Cream Cheese Frosting. With a smooth, spreadable texture, Miss Jones Baking Organic Cream Cheese Frosting is a must-try. Those with dietary restrictions or food allergies can enjoy this frosting as it is vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and nut-free. The ingredients are all organic, and it even contains coconut oil. In addition, the frosting is also free of hydrogenated oils, trans fats, artificial colors, and flavors. It has a tangy yet sweet taste that is hard to resist. Miss Jones is a great option for those who have special diets or for those who are trying to avoid processed foods. Betty Crocker Rich and Creamy PreMade Cream Cheese Frosting. Betty Crocker is famous for its tasty sweets and mouth-watering recipes. Their cream cheese frosting is equally creamy as it is delicious. It pairs great with your homemade baked goods as well as Betty Crocker boxed cake mixes. The texture is smooth and creamy, which is ideal for spreading onto your favorite desserts. The flavor is decadent and has just the right amount of sweetness. For those with allergy concerns, this frosting is gluten-free. You will love the classic taste of this scrumptious frosting that will leave you adding an extra spoonful to your desserts. Good D's Just Add Water Cream Cheese Frosting Mix. For a quick and simple frosting, Good D's is the way to go. The great thing about this frosting mix is that it can keep longer than traditional cans. Whenever you are ready to use it, simply add water to the mix and you are all set to go. This frosting has a smooth, spreadable texture, which is ideal for all your baking needs. In addition, it is keto-friendly and sugar-free, so it is the ideal choice if you are on a special diet. It tastes just like homemade frosting, but without all the work. Pillsbury Flavored Frosting, Canned Cream Cheese. Pillsbury produces some amazing dessert products. Their cream cheese frosting has everything you'd want in a store-bought frosting. It is full of rich flavor, creamy texture, all while being smooth and spreadable. As one of the most popular cream cheese frostings on the market, you know you are getting a good product. It is gluten-free and packed full of delicious flavor. The thick consistency allows you to fully cover your cakes, cupcakes, brownies, and cookies. Duncan Hines Whipped Cream Cheese Frosting. This frosting combines the delicious flavor of cream cheese with a light, whipped texture. Not only does it give the frosting an amazing taste and consistency, but it also makes it easier to spread. It is a great option if you want the delicious cream cheese flavor, but with a lighter texture. From spiced cakes to cinnamon rolls and fudgy brownies, this frosting will be the perfect topping for your desserts. The whipped consistency is ideal for those who find traditional frosting too heavy. You can't go wrong with this tasty option, no matter what you are baking. Betty Crocker Ready-to-Serve Soft Whipped Frosting, Cream Cheese. Another awesome contender for whipped cream cheese, Betty Crocker comes through once again. This frosting has an amazing texture and lovely flavor. It spreads with ease, so you can decorate with no problem at all. This is a great go-to frosting for all your desserts needs. It allows you to easily decorate anything from cakes to cookies, creating beautiful designs and patterns. The light consistency and delectable flavor will fulfill your sweet tooth cravings. There are many cream cheese frostings available to buy at stores. Some of the most popular brands are Betty Crocker, Pillsbury, and Duncan Hines, but there are many other great options as well. Even if you are vegan or on a keto diet, there are some tasty cream cheese frostings you can enjoy. These frostings are rich, creamy, and full of flavor. They are a great alternative to making your own from scratch, especially if you have a tight schedule. You will love just how scrumptious these frostings are, no matter what you are baking. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.